why starters are needed for DC motor. So why starter are needed for DC motor. So that main reason behind it, at starting motor is at rest, so back EMF is 0. At starting back EMF, that EB is equal to 0. So armature resistance is very low. Armature resistance RA is low. RA is very low. So huge current flows. As IA is equal to V by RA. If RA is low, then current will increase. So because of this, what will happen? So these can damage the armature winding. This can damage armature winding and commutator. So this is the effect of, like, because of that at starting. So as back EMF is 0, so that armature resistance is low, so huge current will flow, which can affect the armature winding and commutator. So to reduce this condition, that one starter is needed at the time of starting. So to reduce this condition, so at the time of starting, that one starter is needed. So if we see the diagram, so then we can easily understand. Suppose this is the DC supply, then this is the armature. Here we introduce a starter, like basically it introduces some resistance at the time of starting. So by using this knob, we can vary the resistance. So we can vary this resistance. This is starter this supply. So this is the diagram, simple diagram. So by introducing that starter, basically we are introducing some, means we are inserting some resistance in series with the armature to limit the armature current. So the main function of this starter is limit starting current by inserting external resistance. Second is provide safe acceleration. Provide safe acceleration. Third, obviously protect the motor. Sometimes provide protection also. Sometimes provide protection. So these are the function of starter.